Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Ryan. And in today's video, we're gonna continue on with our limestone. I wanna take you around, show you what we did so far and show you what we're about to do in today's video. So we finished that. Now we're gonna work on this section here today. Hopefully we can finish at least one side of it. Yeah. So with no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Let's get started. Okay guys, so now we're gonna install our hanger line. Just gonna put it in place. Guys, I'm just putting a stone right in the middle here just to keep it firm. When I go through and I use my level, make sure that everything is nice and level. Now that we have it nice and level, I'm going to go ahead and put our tie back. Okay guys, so when you finish you want to have something look like this. Here I didn't put any tape because we're going to put weeping plastic as it go up there. So I have my stone here, my precast ready to go right on top. So what I did here, I put my angle line. As you see, we have a niche cut in. So what I did, I put a piece of stone and then I fill it with mortar so that the stone itself hold on the hanger line inside of here. And I also did the same thing down here as well. So did the same thing here. Okay guys, let's keep going. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and just using a tiny bit of mortar. Just a little bit of mortar on my hanger line. Three stone up, we have our line. Now we're just gonna run our line. Just bring it out right out to where your line is. Bring it out to the line. Okay guys, so this is where we are now. My battery died yesterday on me, so I didn't get to film the remaining of it, but we still have up here now. You see I set up the top here now, we're gonna install the top portion. We finished to install down bottom here. Run it come right across. That is that. Now we're up here. As you see here, I put a piece of stone just to hold on the weight of my angle iron. Usually want to have at least a foot over, because we have to niche out it, just like you see we have here a piano cut. I cut a piece of stone and I put it right in place with mortar, so that it helps to hold down the angle iron and it make it more sturdy, being as we only have here 1.5 inch pieces go right along here. So now our angle iron is 100% level. As you see, it's level, go right across. I have I have my weeping plastic. We tape it off. So now we're just preparing the header that's gonna go along here, and we're gonna go ahead and start to install them now. Okay guys, so this is where we're at now. Let's see, I put some brick ties, put 2 nails to secure it. We also have some brick tie down here as well. I just use some temporary wedge just to hold it because of the weight that's going on it. And I have a slight bit of mortar, I don't want it to tilt over. So I just put some brick ties right here. Once I finish the top, I'm just gonna slicker it underneath the bottom and we should be good to go. So now we're just gonna put one up top here, and then we finish with this section, we move on to another section. Keep on watching.